we saw it before, but we didn't expect that day before yesterday market was abnormally servers down. Yes. Yeah, the other reason yesterday I didn't come onto the online because day before yesterday 1 minute. The day before yesterday, NSC servers automatically shut down without intimation at morning 11:30 a.m. The other reason I didn't do yesterday, day before yesterday also. Time is as of now 10 to, I think again recording was abnormal termination happened against February 26th. The other reason yesterday I posted you that better to go with the NTPC. Today definitely NTPC will give you at least more than 3 points. It gives you 3 to 4 points. It gives you. Yesterday I posted that NTPC regarding the news. And yeah, that's what I'm coming to that point. Yesterday I didn't do that trading because day before yesterday, all you guys know, NSC servers completely shut down. At day before yesterday morning 11:30 completely shut down all the servers of that NSC exchange. So yesterday also why I unnecessarily take the risk. That the reason I didn't trade. Day before yesterday, most of the people, some of the people who are placed with orders before 11:30, after 11:30 they can't buy and they can't sell. So we can't assume that what happened after 3:30 that market will open again. But luckily some of the people will, may save, some of the people may get lost. Yes. So yesterday I thought why unnecessarily take this today. Just let us see for today. Tomorrow we can start. That's the reason yesterday I didn't post any video. But I placed only 200 quantity yesterday with a profit of I think very less amount. Of course, yesterday servers didn't give any problem, but I thought like that day before yesterday got problem, so yesterday may got. That's the reason. Today again I started with only 400 quantity. Actually today I just wanted to place at least 600 quantity, but okay. This week let's leave the other reason place only 400 quantity, and today my target is also 25 points only. If 25 points reached, then I will square off all positions. 400 into 25. Because of why? Because today market to open it very low, and then Asian complete all companies today traded with very downside. All Asian companies. SGX Nifty also even it's more than 200. I think this is the first time that SGX Nifty is falling that much of amount today. Today actually NTPC I am going at buy side only. Out of I think 10 or 11 companies I placed, but out of 10, 5 companies at buy side. I think 6 companies are at the sell side. Market opened at completely downside. All Asian markets and not only Asian market, Europe countries and US markets also completely open with the downside. Yes, of course, yesterday banks are very increased. Why, public sector, that RBI announced that up to now, any government related works only go, will, the people hand over to the only public banks only. But private banks are never involved in that government related works, so like projects and anything else. But that RBI announced that still onwards we are saying the private banks and the public sectors both are, we are equal to in our opinion. So anything which is anything, any work which is related to government, so private sectors also can involve and can bid and get any project like that. They announced immediately that banking sectors, private banking sectors automatically will grow up yesterday. That's the reason. So many people thinking that yesterday banking sector, why suddenly grow up. They didn't understand. This is the reason why those banking sectors increased yesterday. Now onwards, any government-related issues, those people can hand out to the private and public sectors equally. So there is no private bank, there is no public bank. Any bank is equal in government aspects. Yes, of course, Kumar. Rakesh Junjunwala announced that at the end of the 2030, Nifty will reach to the 1 lakh. He announced that within 10 years it will reach to the 1 lakh. How I can't understand how Rakesh Junjunwala announced that statement directly posted. Nifty as of now it's 15,000, but he told that on 2030 it reached to the 1 lakh. You know why? That's what I'm telling. How did he say? Uh, for compare with for 2 years, last 2 years, investors has been increased for every month, every year. Most of the investors increased in stock exchanges. So he thought that within 2 to 5 years, all investors, all citizen people who are staying in India, all people are at least if they earn per month 1 lakh, within 1 lakh at least 10% they will invest in the stock exchange. Like that, he is assumed it automatically the people investing in the stock market automatically Sensex and Nifty will be increased, right? By invest depending on the investment only, Sensex and Nifty will be fluctuated. So he thought that upcoming future entire all people will invest in the stock market only. Like that he is assuming and he tell you that 1 lakh Nifty. As of it's 15,000 within 10 years it will be 1 lakh is means it's very high. Even if it is reached 50,000 within 10 years, that one also very big. Yeah, investors will be increased, right? I think last 20 days back, I think one news came in BBC. In India, I think this year after Corona, I think 20 lakh crores rupees something else investors will be coming to the stock market after Corona. So investors will be increased in India. Up to now, US and Canada, like UK, Europe countries only, most of the people invested in their indexes. But in India, for long, from last 2 years, last 2 years, has been increased eventually. Yeah, Carvi, no problem. The people who are invested in Carvi previously, the Carvi handed over to the another standard company, so no need to worry about that one. Kamlesh. Don't worry, don't worry. If you have any money with Kavi, then don't worry, no problem. Kavi is handed to the another started company, so it's tech like. Don't worry. That's the news came 2 days back. No, no. Actually, yesterday I did with only 200 quantity, but yesterday I didn't. I don't want to encourage you to do trade yesterday because day before yesterday we got a problem with server. So yesterday also it came. Why unnecessary? The other reason I didn't come on to the online yesterday. Otherwise, there was nothing else. Okay. Today definitely Apollo tire will be in the, because up to now Apollo tire didn't generate any red candle, so it will definitely shoot to the shoot up to 5 points easily. So if you want, you can go with Apollo tire by buy side, not at the sell side. You know, Nifty and Sensex at today it's native side. Even the Apollo Sensex and Nifty both are in native side, but even though why I am encouraged with buying side, you know that particular company. Yesterday, previous closes, operator assumed that 100 rupees. Today, it opened with 92 rupees. It opened with 92 rupees. Already 8 point with less 8 points it opened. So more than 8 points is never go back. So Sensex Nifty of course it's negative, but it opened with minus 8 points. So it will increase today. If you want, you can observe that opposite area. If you want, you can hold with that one. Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm not available on WhatsApp continuously because of I am planning for another one at next week. For that, I need to do some other another work. So, if I started that once, then continuously I am on WhatsApp for you who are regularly contact with me. Just be patient for only 3 to 4 days. Next week definitely I will start that one. Once if I start it, I will be on online continuously. At any time I will respond immediately. Yeah, today NTPC, yeah, see NTPC already it's near to 3 points. I told you just 5 minutes back, at that time it is at 1.5 point, I think nearly 600 in profit. Now it is 1400, means 3 point, more than 3 points. Today it is at low level. Okay guys, once 25 points is reached, I just want to close. Before closing that, actually I just want to, some person asking me why close immediately. After closing the screen only I can square off all my companies because of I need to enter the password to square off all my positions. If I entered my password while I am in online, that password will be to the 1 minute. I just want to close the screen. Okay. Because to scare off all my companies, I need to enter the password, right? If I enter the password while I am scaring the screen, that password will be exposed to public. So I shouldn't expose the password. That's the reason first I stop the screen and then okay. Okay guys, I squared off my companies. Today 25 points, okay. I will close the recording and I will be on WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Thank you.